there's CarHavn, Ramiro here. Here with some advice for you BMW owners, especially with the xDrive system, the all-wheel drive system. So as you probably know, BMW does not make the transmission in your car. It's made by a company called ZF, German company. They are a massive manufacturer of transmissions for a number of different brands. And they recommend replacing filter and fluid every 50,000 miles or 4 years, even though it is not listed in the factory schedule. So they recommend it so badly that they sell you the filter and the transmission fluid. But along with that, you also need to service the other pieces of your xDrive system, which are the transfer case and the front and rear differentials. For the differentials, we have this excellent Motul oil, which has to be of the right weight, depending on the car, 75W, 85, 80, or 90. And then the transfer case needs also fluid. That's called the VTG module. There are sometimes codes reading VTG oil wear, because the transfer case knows when the oil is bad and is asking for replacement of that. So we'll show you from underneath the car where those components are located and how the oil and the filters get changed for the whole xDrive system. Let me show you what the xDrive system looks like from the underneath of the car. So you have three important boxes here. This is your front differential in here. So you can see it's where the axles get out of, right? That's front diff. This is your transmission filter, and you can see we are draining it. That's your transfer case box right here. And then towards the rear of the car, you have your rear differential where the axles go in, right? So this is the hole where you can service it. You can empty and refill the oil. So these three boxes are serviceable, of course, because it's gears floating in oil, and that oil has to be changed.